Hey y'all, so I'll be showing you guys some of away luggage that I got previously and what I got for replacement. So this is the older version, checked in bag. So my trip to Mexico, it got broken. So it's right here, if you can see the cracks over here, and the zipper also was broken. So just so you guys can see, the inside is like darker gray. It's pretty nice. Actually, I do like this luggage. We had so much history too, traveling around the world. But I got a replacement because Away does offer, when you purchase Away luggage, they will offer you a replacement warranty. So this is what I got as a replacement. Let's put this back in right here. So let's open it up. I do like their little Away thing. Okay, let's see. This one, open it up. This is a darker blue here. It's glossier. They don't have this color anymore. If you can see the comparison, this is matte color. This is more of a glossy one. But I do prefer this one, but I can live with this. So it's kind of cute, but it will get dirty real quick. So, well, hopefully this will last me longer. And another thing is I got this right here. The carry-on. It's pretty cute. As you can see, it's still holding on. So I'll be carrying this too. Again, it doesn't look good for me to take two different colors, but hey, I got a new replacement, so we'll see. But this one would have been really cute. This is how I was traveling before. But anyways, just to let y'all know, if you get away luggage, you can get replacement if it is damaged or broken. They will ask you to take pictures and all of that, and then you can send it to them and they will send you a new replacement. Well, see you next time. Please make sure this is a new channel for me, so please make sure to subscribe, follow, like, comment, please. Thank you.